Imagine walking into an Apple store with $600 and walking out with a brand new MacBook. No, this isn't a refurbished model from 5 years ago. This isn't a clearance sale on a cracked screen unit. This is the reality of 2026. Apple has done the one thing we all thought was impossible. They've released a MacBook that costs less than an iPhone Pro. It's called the MacBook Neo. And while the world is still reeling from the launch of the first generation just weeks ago, the Neo 2 leaks have already hit the internet, and they are so disruptive that they might just kill the MacBook Air as we know it. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are watching this right now, you are witnessing the biggest shift in Apple's history since the transition to Apple Silicon. For decades, Apple has been the luxury brand, the gatekeeper of the high-end. But the MacBook Neo 2 is a declaration of war. It's a war on Chromebooks, a war on budget Windows laptops, and frankly, it's a war on our own expectations. Today, we are diving deep into the machine that shouldn't exist. We are going to look at why Apple finally decided to play in the budget sandbox, the secret A-series chip architecture that makes this possible, and the bombshell leaks surrounding the MacBook Neo 2 that suggest a 12 GB RAM standard, something even the current $1,000 MacBooks don't offer in their base configuration. In this video, I'm going to show you why the MacBook Neo 2 is the most dangerous laptop Apple has ever designed, and why buying a MacBook Air right now might be the biggest mistake you can make. Let's start with the why. Why now? Why did Apple wait until 2026 to release a $599 laptop? To understand the MacBook Neo 2, you have to understand the success of the first Neo. Launched in March of 2026, the first Neo was a gamble. Apple was losing the education market to Google. Students were growing up using Chrome OS, and Apple realized they were losing an entire generation of future professionals. They needed a hook. They needed a device that felt premium but was priced for a college dorm room. The result was the MacBook Neo. It looked like a MacBook, it felt like a MacBook, but it was powered by the A18 Pro, the chip from the iPhone. And it worked. Tim Cook recently confirmed that the Mac had its best launch week in history thanks to the Neo. But as with all first-generation Apple products, there were compromises. No keyboard backlight. Only 8 GB of RAM. A screen that was beautiful, but capped at 500 nits. That is where the MacBook Neo 2 comes in. The leaks for the second generation, codenamed A3404 successor, are pointing toward a device that fixes every single budget complaint while keeping the price at that legendary $599 mark. The heart of the MacBook Neo 2 is rumored to be the A19 Pro chip. Now, why is this a big deal? Usually, Apple puts M-series chips in Macs and A-series chips in iPhones. But the Neo 2 is breaking the rules. The A19 Pro is built on a refined 2-nanometer process. Because the MacBook Neo 2 has a larger chassis than an iPhone, it doesn't have the same heat constraints. Apple is reportedly uncorking this chip, allowing it to run at higher clock speeds for longer. We are seeing early benchmark leaks that suggest the Neo 2 will outperform the M2 MacBook Air in multi-core tasks. Think about that, a $599 budget laptop beating the premium machine from just 2 years ago.